Hello, what do you see here? A creative stroke? But someone looking at it from other perspective can see a 6 or a 9 in the same creative stroke. Stories also have a similar story. By themselves, stories are like a candle. Their value is not more than 50 rupees. But in the light of the candle, you can find keys to the treasure of your own happiness. In the book of reflections, I have compiled 51 of my favorite stories. These stories have helped me touch more than 90,000 lives worldwide in the last 10 years. Each of these stories, when reflected upon, will reveal a different meaning based on the state of mind you are in and the perspective that you choose to have. In the book of reflections is hidden the power of ancient wisdom. I hope you will choose to buy this book, reflect on the stories, and uncover the wisdom of ages that will help you find solutions to problems in your life so you can lead a life of peace, prosperity, and joy. This book is now available on my website www.arunb.com. My mission in life is to help you uncover your greatness and leave you happier than I found you. I hope to hear back from you a story of how these stories have changed story of your life.